with Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do a full day of easy keto eating and lazy keto eating. What do I eat on lazy keto? Coming up next. Hey guys, this is Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode I'm going to do a full day of lazy keto eating and easy keto eating. I am here in Duck, North Carolina vacationing and show you all that I eat. But first, if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe and sign up for my free weekly keto email newsletter down in the description link below. Now let's dive into the content. I ended up getting a large Dunkin' Donuts coffee, an iced coffee. I didn't add anything to it except for where I asked for one cream on the side. I love getting heavy cream in my coffee. However, I just got one of their little packaged ones, which is not the best choice, but it was the choice because I'm on vacation, right? Like, this is incorporating keto into my everyday life and how I've lost a significant amount of weight. Here's my before and after. And so with that, I did drop in some of my J. Crow's Lugol's. The 5% you have to order directly from Miss Lizzie's website, which I've done an awesome thyroid interview with her, but I'll put the 2.5 iodine drops off of Amazon down in the description link below. I like doing this for my thyroid function, and I use 5 drops. That's for my body. I'm not giving any sort of medical advice on that. That's just what I like to use in my coffee, and I do carry this around in my pocketbook with me. Once this runs out, I have these pills as backups. They're pill format of the iodine, which helps thyroid function. In the morning for a drive, so that's how I got the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. We went and we got omelets. I got a bacon cheese omelet. They did not add pancake batter. I always ask now because IHOP does. Woo! And so I asked this restaurant that we went to. We ended up getting our omelets from Stack 'em High in the Outer Banks. I love that place, but I did not get pancakes or waffles. I ended up getting a bacon cheese omelet, and I asked for a side of sour cream on the side and some bacon as a side dish. I had that also with some coffee and water. Delicious, so good for a good keto breakfast. Normally for lazy keto and easy keto, again, I don't eat this much, but it's vacation, and so I wanted to have a little fun with the family and eat with them. Ended up bringing steamed shrimp for me. How sweet was that? To help be supportive of the keto diet for me while I was at the beach and to stay on lazy keto. I just had a little bowl full of the steamed shrimp. I didn't add any butter, like melted butter for that amount. I just wanted to eat it. So, and normally I don't have keto snacks because they do spike insulin, but I had to make the exception. For fresh steamed shrimp that was brought directly to me, I totally had to do that. Isn't that so sweet though? Put some love for my mom down in the comments below if you thought that was sweet. We went swimming together as a family. I love to go swimming, and I wanted to incorporate on this vacation keto foods, intermittent fasting, and also exercise and body movement. Yahoo! I'm riding a bicycle. How are you guys getting your body movement in today? What are you doing to move your body? Get some of those positive endorphins in. How are you moving? Here's my bicycle time. I'm gonna go pay attention down this hill. So what are you doing today to get your body movement in? How are you moving today? Put in the comments below. And so we went biking together as a family, which was so fun. Ended up going for long walks on the beach. Do you like long walks on the beach? We loved going for a long walk together as a family on the beach a bunch of times to help get some body movement in and to help, you know, really make sure that our bodies, that I wasn't over indulging in vacation. had made this one day, I had a mint keto mojito. If you want the recipe, I will put that in the description link below. Cheers to the keto mint mojito. Mine was virgin, but you could add liquor into yours if you wanted that as a keto vacation treat. For dinner, we went out as a family and I had a wedge salad as my appetizer. I asked for no tomatoes because I did not want to have the not creepy carbs. I didn't want to have the carb added, like I didn't want to have extra carbs. So no tomatoes because those are higher in carbs than other low carb vegetables. I just had the wedge, like iceberg lettuce with blue cheese dressing and bacon. Oh, it was so good. And I had it with Pellegrino. For my main meal, I ended up getting a steamer pot. Who loves steamer pots? I do. We go to Cravings in Outer Banks. We love that place to get our steamer pots from. Put in the comments below if you have a better steamer pot place that you like in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. But we get with that shrimp, scallops, mussels, clams. It came with sausage, and I normally ask to substitute for extra shrimp instead of the sausage. So it did come with sausage, but I didn't eat the sausage because the sausage, I don't know, it looked weird to me. It kind of freaked me out. But it was it was really good. And crab legs, so I got to crack the crab. I had it with dipped butter. My little boy and I shared this meal, and so he got to have some of the crab legs and crack them. If you have children, it's fun with seafood to do that. It was a lot of fun to share that steamer pot with him, and it made for a great meal. We did get for dessert some hot tea. I didn't show that in the video, but we did end up getting some hot tea later on, which was a great nightcap for me as a dessert, was just some hot tea. My question of the day for you is, where is your favorite to eat keto food out? Where's your favorite keto meal at a restaurant? I love getting steak, but I also love a bunch of different places. Put in the comments below. Oh, and to clarify about lazy keto, so lazy keto eating, you don't track macros. If I have a weight loss style, I will go back to tracking macros. I use Carb Manager Premium. I'll put that in the description link below too. I'm not affiliated with them. I just like their product a lot for tracking, but lazy keto is not tracking at all. But I do find if I am having a weight loss style, I will start tracking. However, intermittent fasting has greatly helped me do lazy keto plus intermittent fasting has made for awesome weight loss success for me. If you love this video, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe, and sign up for my free weekly Wednesday weight loss email newsletter where you get a free weekly keto meal plan.